Tesha Miller, this is a warning to you. Dangles are straight informer. You understand? Him a work with police. Him make night and day dead, you know. And him did want kill night and day under the quiet. Him a try deal with it under Sykes. So me I warn you, Tesha, you done in a problem already, you know. You need to watch that boy, Dangles. You understand? Boy, this might sound crazy, but you know, so the more I look into Reed Spend, there is a whole bunch of corruption going on. Now, Jason McKay, or Mackay, where you want him, the white boy police, you went to Dangles' house, and you surround, and you're going at the man's house. Now, why would you go to Dangles' house? To make it look like you're doing your job, and you're not? Because Dangles is in bed with the big superintendent, Mr. Tom, and Mr. Tom is your boss. Now, to me, it seems like you take on the Steven Seagal persona, because me here say you have a karate school and you know karate, and you have a security guard firm, you understand? But my question is, why are you killing off these young black Jamaican men? Why don't you implement some kind of program in the community to help these people? Obviously, we know what's going on. Why don't you try and help the people then? But what you do, Mr. Jason Mackay, you go down into these community and you antagonize the people them, and you kill off the youth them. Now, because you're rich and you're white and you're Jewish and you have a bag of money, me here say you buy all car for the whole of the police them to drive up and down, you know. And when you roll with like 5 car load of police. Jason, a pussy hole thing you do, you know. Me here say you have the judge them in your pocket. Me here say you have the police them in your pocket. And you're only picking on one side of people in this community. What the fuck is wrong with this white boy police? Now, never say this. You see all of the bad man them at Jamaica, una a big pussy, cause una make white boy police coming down the country and a kill off on a bomber clot, and all una do a kill off on the one another. That's all me I say on that. White boy police coming down the country and a kill off on a blood clot, and then una do now, una turn the gun on yourself when the blood clot white boy police a kill off on a bomber clot. Me no want hear nothing from none of them bad man there at Jamaica, and are some big pussy. Upton Smith, you name Butter, are you them call Butter, you know? Are you them call Butter? And you do a little idiot thing, you understand? Because you make the youth when you're money, and the next youth kill boy. Money, you think we couldn't get your picture? You think we couldn't get your picture though? You think say you're up on the down low and countryman can't get your picture? Are you and Dolly man kill boy? And the boy we name Butter, Richard Upton Smith, him are the one who set the thing. You understand? The whole world know that. You understand? that you do. Money. You and Dolly man. Do that for the boy Butter. Now me I tell you something. You see Butter? Butter and him brother, you know. Them now come back to Jamaica, you know. Me know enough gun them bring in, you know. But let me tell you. You see when the shit hit the fan, them are cut left you and left you in the hot water. You don't see that family they stay. You understand? You see them nephew, him end up a prison. You understand? Can do some fuckery. But me I tell you, Manny, and Mr. Dolly man, you see, the whole world are watching you now, you know. You understand? And me I tell you something. Me know some big police, you know. And yo, me might just send them pound a bomb clot. Me not do it yet. Cause fool the thing. What me want to do? Me want to stop the fuckery. Cause you see me not like hurt people in my community. I me not want sound racist or anything. But me not like it hurt people of my ethnicity. Let me say that word there. Or my race. Maybe that's better. Ethnicity. Bombard. My mouth I get twist up. I don't know. I mean I cut it out, you know. But yeah. Me not do them thing there. And enough man rob me, you know. And trick me, you know. You understand? Because me is loyal and me is naive. Me a bigger man for the whole hour now. And let me tell you something. You see what Una go through? Me go through worse than that. Cause the whole hour they are just, Una not gonna blood clot. Una not, certain things Una not blood clot though. Una want to kill people and hide. And send man go kill people. When me I do things and me blood clot do it. Ask anybody who know a countryman. Okay? But it's not about me. It's about the Dangles gang. It's about Manny and Dolly man and the boy Butter. Wanna do to the youth. Boy. You understand? Big fuckery. Yo, if Middle East man them now war with Uno nothing war with the man them. Cause the man them sign a peace deal. And listen, me don't know the man of Middle East, you know. But me not like fuckery. If the man them say peace a peace. But the man them say peace and Una follow Dangles, true Dangles I sell gun and I make money and him can rent car go, you know. No for Una we make man fuck Una, you know, on the blood clot body, you know. As tough as Una is, no for Una body boy, straight up. You understand? Cause a man can come round with some money and this and that, buy 2 guns and next thing you know, him around the place. And then you have the little fool them, like Manny them, we can then make them boy there and press them button. You understand? Joke thing. Big bomber clot joke thing, yo. Manny, you see you? My eyes depend you and Dolly man. Me have more things to talk about. Me not done with Una yet. Me not done with the crew yet, yo. Look at the picture in front of you. You know who that is? That's Mr. Troy. That's Mr. Troy, aka Dog Art. This is Mr. Dog Art. Dog Art, me tell you some more that get a picture and know what you look like. Now, you there Miami, I egg with butter and I do them dirty work. Cause I wanna get the shoes them, you know. And I send the shoes them go back a yard. Now me I tell you, if you stop it, and you see butter them a go turn pan you. Now, on a born in a reeds pen, and the whole area cool, and for no reason at all, una go war with the man them in the surrounding neighborhood. I want to talk to the Brayton Meadows man them too, but me I talk to them close to the end of the video. So yes, Mr. Dogheart, me know who he is. You understand? Me just make you know that. Let's go. Kicker, you are the operation manager, like me say, and you was a good youth, you know. You was a good youth until you start follow them man there. Now you know say the man them want divide up the community, and you know say a fuckery, but it's like you're scared of them, and then after a while it's like you start liking dealing with them and holding the gun them and all of them things there. Now police go up a Dangles yard, spooky them yard, you understand, and another man yard, I guess the police must have search for gun. So all them not come at your yard, and you are the operation manager. Una import new man, cause we just want to talk to the people them. Not telling them all the things said. What them do, them bring in man from other places to intimidate the people them. You understand? And give the man them gun. Strange man a walk up and down in the area. Them even kill a little man where the man there was like a area leader, and whenever I see a strange man, them say, yo, what you doing at my place? And them end up kill a man there. So if people don't come out of them house and interact in the neighborhood, them are gonna say the people them are informer. Me never see nothing like this in my life. So yo, kicker, me I tell you, stop deal with them man ya, or else police are gonna come at your yard, and police are gonna come pick you up. Me I gonna make sure of that. You understand? Wanna see what happened to Shotty Mark? Alright? So kicker, me I warn you directly, and me I tell you, show about Dangles them. Dangles not care about nobody, you know. You understand? Him disrespectful, him selfish, him a news carrier, him a informer. Cause through him chat too much, that's why I'm have to run away. You understand? And me I warn the man them a Canada. Him a go 2 times, you know. And me can't say it over and over and over. Him a go 2 times on the dog. So the man them a Canada, you don't have to go be careful and don't deal with that pussy there. You understand? That boy there, Dangles, him is an intelligent youth. Cause that boy there don't know badness. At Jamaica, a foreign him go learn him badness. And then now he want to take over the community and make the man them start war. Cause yo, you see when that place there, everybody a live good, a pure economics a go on there. So people a sell this, people have them shop, them bar, them this, them that. So now you must stop people from eat them food. You understand? Now me gonna wrap this video up and me gonna talk to the Brayton Meadows man them. Now Dangles take him gun them from over Reed's Pen and bring them come get Uno, and then have Uno now war the Reed's Pen man them and other man, and Dangles run down a foreign. Dangles not care about Uno, you know. Dangles don't care about you guys, cause Dangles would never stand up in Reed's Pen. A coward. So Uno I pick up war and it will be bloody. You understand? For no reason. We have some young youth who have a life ahead of you. Stop par with Dangles. You understand? Tell Dangles go suck him mama and go yo. Bumbo clot. So that me a warning, you know. Breton News. You know? I pick up Dangles crosses. That boy the salt like saltfish and salt mackerel, dog. So this I go out to Uno. You understand? Dangles, you work with police, but yo, me I go put a stop to that. You understand? Cause me know the police them. You understand? Me I go put a stop to that. I bet say when me done with you, Dangles, everybody I go push you out. Cause me I bring this to the world. I me not care. You have to stand for something or stand for nothing. Me can't sit down and support fuckery in my country. Straight up. Listen, part 5 coming up. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe and click on another video. I'm out.